Hello? Everybody, please be seated. Please be seated. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all so much. Thank you. First of all, I'd like to start off by saying it's been a good 2022. It really has been. It's been a great time. I thank you all so much for all of the love and support that I have gotten over the past year. It's been a crazy year. We've had our ups and downs. I feel like it's been a learning year. A year that is to be remembered. Weston, Corey, thank you so much for pointing out the Hufflepuff tie. I'm actually part of the Hufflepuff group. I am. But thank you for that. But they don't know what this whole press conference is about. They think they know. They want to find out. And I'm here to set the record straight because this has gone on for far too long. And I just want to say 2023 is going to be my year, okay? And I don't care what has to happen because I'm going to make 2023 my biggest year. I have a schedule. I have a plan. I have multiple things lined up for the year, and it's going to be the best year I've ever had. Now, with this all being said, I'm sorry to say, but the Austin House is, well, departing. Over this past month, I will be moving back to Kentucky. This is not a joke. The end of Austin House is now. I will have no further comments about anything about the other members of the house. But it is time for this era to end and for the reign of Hoover Sophia to finally take over. Sorry, but it had to happen. I can't sit by and watch all these people get away for too long. This is not a joke. This is not a bit. This is not a drill. Austin House will be ending by the end of January 2023. We've had some good rides, we've had some good fun, but unfortunately all good things must come to an end. And it's with great heart that I'm sorry, but this ends now. It's been an amazing 2023, or 2022, sorry. It really has. Again, stop with the photos, okay, guys? I can't see. But, you know, let's think about the positives of us being in the house together. And let's not focus on Akshuali being arrested for a RICO indictment that I have nothing to do with. His room will be banished and vanquished in the next coming days. Other than that, all of our livelihoods will depart at the end of January of this year. I have no further comments for any of my other housemates or roommates or pets for that matter. I'm sorry to say this, but this has been a long time coming, and I'm sorry that it had to be brought to you all now instead of later, but I feel like it was best to be brought up now from me, everyone's favorite of the house, obviously, and, yeah. I'm sorry, but the end of Austin House is now, and the end of Austin, we know it, may be happening this year too, who knows. But I'm not lying. This is not a bit. I am actually going to be moving back home at the end of this year. And you know what? I think it's time for some questions. Anybody have any questions in the audience? I can't. I'm not gonna put that there. I'm not putting that there. Anybody have any questions? I gotta turn this fucking shit down. Hold on. There we go. Are you serious? This is actually truth. This is actually the truth. We are all still friends. We are all still friends. But the Austin house is ending as we know it. No, we aren't. It is. Nick. Are you broke, Hoover? I am broke, but that is not the reason. Unfortunately, that is not the reason why this is all ending, okay? It's not because Hoover doesn't have enough money to live here anymore. We're all done, okay? Austin is no more. We're like, listen, if you've seen the news recently, there's like, I'm sorry, like there's some cool people in Austin, but like, I think this chapter is coming to a close. It's not because of me not having money, but I will be moving back for real at the end of January, and yes. Any other questions? Anybody questions from the crowd? It's all your fault, Hoover. It's not my fault. JHB, sources have said that you are broke. Can you confirm? Any other questions? Any other questions from the crowd? No comment. Is it because Texas sucks? Texas does fucking suck. It does. Okay? I'm gonna be the first to admit it. Texas sucks. It's about the people in Texas. Okay? It's about the people in Texas. And if everyone's leaving, then what do we have for Texas? Okay? I have nothing but love for the group chat boys. I know they moved to Austin, but it is in bad timing of them moving so soon because we are going to be moving out by the end of the month. Can you leak the ID now that you're moving? At 5,000 subs, I will be leaking the address. Yes. But why? Can we know why? Listen. Have you not seen all the fucking assholes that live in Texas now? Listen, shout out the group chat boys, hearts all day, okay? But listen, I think that we can admit that I don't think this is the best area. And also, like, everyone's kind of done with their streaming era. Like, you know, I mean, I'm starting my streaming era. I'm going to be on TikTok and on Twitch when I get back home. An actual schedule that I will pursue. And I mean that. When I say that, I'm going to have the most content this year because I'm going to be back home. That's not a lie. So, that's the truth. And, yeah. What did Larry and Tanner have to say about this? They are heartbroken. Obviously so. It's a real bad time for a lot of them. I have, again, like I've said, I have nothing but love for the group chat boys, but it's one of those things where it's unfortunate timing, and this has been a long time coming. We've known about this for 3 months, actually. Not even joking. Like 3 months we've known about us moving. This isn't like I woke up yesterday and I'm moving. It's like we known for like 3 months. And yeah. Sorry. Are you gonna be living with your mama bear? I will be living with mama bear. Planned for at least a year. And then from there, who knows where I'll be moving to, but all I can comment right now is that I will be moving back to Kentucky. That room that you saw me streaming in will not be my room that I will be streaming in when I get back. But there's more to come about all that. So, yeah. Any other person need a question answered? Anybody? Anybody? Will we ever move in with Austin House members again? I wouldn't say never, but I think that we are all getting to an age where, you know, we all want to do our own thing. And, you know, I think whatever happens, happens. And I think I might be moving out on my own after I live back home. And who knows, maybe a new cat will have to join me when I move that time. So, yes. No Wood Lodge. That house was sold. It will not be the Wood Lodge. But there might be a kitty in 2024 if I move out then. Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions from the crowd? The Wood Lodge gave cozy vibes though. JHB, that house has been sold. I'm sorry. Sorry. Is Cool Dog over? Unfortunately, no, it is not over. It's only beginning. So, you can invest early now. So, yeah. I know people are probably hoping that they would have like Axel would have like a better co-host. Well, no. I'm still here. So, yeah. Any other questions? Any other questions? What about the puzzle you haven't finished? We all have ADHD. That puzzle, I don't think that puzzle is ever going to be completed. All the Vyvanse in Austin, Texas could be consumed in our bodies, and I don't think we would get another piece put down. And yeah. Is anyone else moving out? At this time, I like to not comment about my other roommates because I like to let them speak on what they want to do with their future plans. But I'm telling you right now that I will be leaving at the end of January. So, with that being said, I will need you all I will need every member of Hoover Nation to show up to my birthday stream January 8th because I need money to move out. Okay? This shit is not cheap. And this will be the last birthday in the Austin house. All proceeds will go towards the Hoover Nation Moving Fund. And any donation at that time will be appreciated. Maybe there'll be some merch released along the way. Who knows? But, yes. Please show up for my birthday stream January 8th. Is all this because you and the cats fought? Jade the cat ratted me out to the police. Beck the cat scratched me and gave me bruises. And Winston the cat, he's a little soybean. I just can't stand them anymore. And that's the exact reason why I'm moving. That's the exact reason why I'm moving. Will the Nikki Flag be joining you in Kentucky, says one of my subscribers, Canadian CR. I might have to do a service commemorating this era. And I think this might be the end of the Nikki Flag hanging up in the background. It's a new era. It's going to be a new me. I'm going to even get a new haircut when I get back. And we're going to be fresh. But don't be upset. Be happy that it all happened. And just be excited for the future because the future has a lot of content. So I know you all were very upset about my time here being wasted of me having fun after literally having one of the fucking worst years of my life, literally wanting to die. Sorry that I literally wanted to die one year and I moved in with my friends and I had fun and I didn't stream every moment of my life. But now you'll get what you want and I'll start streaming every day and I'll start doing stuff and I'll have the year of the Hoover smile. Okay. So yeah. Content 2023. Is Stevie Hoover bit dead? I will always try to reprise my role as Stevie. Stevie lives on within the nation and within everyone. But maybe we will cast another member. No, that's not even true. If they have no, here's the thing. If they fucking cast another person to be Stevie, I'm done. Like I'm like now. Then I'm gonna have the Kendall Roy press conference and be like, fuck them. Like this and that. Like I'm coming for them if they fucking have another Stevie. But I mean, listen, I'm gonna be in Kentucky, and they're not going to be in Kentucky. So yes. Is Luther moving with you? Luther will be. Unfortunately, he will have to come with me back to Kentucky. I don't know how much of Luther you're going to see, but just know that Luther will be back. And yeah, you will see Luther. So, Hoover Sophia will be written by a woman. Yes, I was. Chibli, awkward man, I was going live today to announce I got hired as a new Stevie. Chibli, I will leak your IP address if that is the case. I will. That is not a threat, that's a promise. Sorry. Allergy season. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to have a new one soon. I'm moving into your bedroom. I'm allergic. I'm allergic to the bullshit, Shibley. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Okay? I'm allergic to the bullshit. That's not gonna happen. This house will be burned down once I leave. And once everyone else leaves. So, nobody will ever have to live in this room ever again. It will be immortal and forever. It'll be like a sanctuary. Not a sanctuary. What am I saying? It will be a statue to be remembered for in Austin history. Any other questions? Any other questions in the crowd? We got a Miss News when we're moving. I'll be moving at the end of the year. Or no. I announced it. Oh yeah, I'm moving at the end of the year. Like, I'm not even moving in January. Yeah, it's the end of the year. No, I'm moving at the end of January. During that period, I will have a pod be like shipped back down to Kentucky, because this is the first time I'm actually moving, because I have to actually move everything in this room will be gone. And soon enough, this bed's not even going to be here. Soon it's just going to be empty, and it's going to be like a little content room for like the next 30 days. But there will be a pod that will be shipped down to Kentucky for a week. So a week I will be not doing anything, because I can't. I won't have my PC or anything. And yeah. So it's going to be the end of January. Approximately around like the 25th. It's probably when I'm going to be out of here. But yeah. Any other questions? Is the whole bad people in Austin the only reason why you're moving out? Does it directly affect you that much? No, not really. Okay. I mean, I'm being real. Like, there isn't like this like overarching like, oh my god, Michigan's a piece of shit, I can't live in Austin, Texas anymore. It's not like that, okay? It's not that. It's not like I wish it was so cut and simple that it was that. Okay? But it's not. It's just more so like, I mean, do we want to live in Texas another year? I don't know. We don't know. And it's not going to happen. So I'm moving back to Kentucky, and yeah. There's no like actual reason. But yes. But I'm so far talking for myself. I'll let the other people in the group talk for their plans. Nick says, me and Mikhaili are expecting a baby. We need our own place again. That's just a lie. That's just a lie. Don't give him any sort of reaction. He's lying. He did this the other day in Shibley's chat, and he lied to Northern Lion that he was having a baby. And, yeah, so just don't trust anything Nick says. I'll speak for Nick, honestly. They're moving back to Orlando. So, I'll speak for them, but I'll let the Coreys speak for themselves, because I think that's the only right thing to do. But I will speak for Nick, because he does not know how to speak for himself. But yes, end of January, I will be back in Kentucky. February, probably early February is when I'll be streaming again. So, yes. Any other questions? Any other questions in the crowd? Anybody? Is this all because Northern Lion didn't respond to you? Okay, you found out the real reason. You did find out the real reason. Yep. That is exactly why Northern Lion did not respond to me. So then I said, fuck this shit. I'm out. I'm moving to Kentucky again. But no, that's not the reason. Just Texas is too fucking hot. And yeah. It's a pseudo rental. This is the one that I got for the Streamer Awards. Actually, the award is somewhere over here. No, I don't know where it is. I was cleaning out my shelf today because I have to fucking sell some shit. But I don't know where I actually don't know where the statue went. Is it not hotter in Kentucky? That is like, I don't think you understand. Texas in the summer, like, go to fucking Mars with Elon Musk and his Dogecoin army, okay? And then take off your fucking astronaut suit. That's what it feels like in Texas summer, okay? It's fucking awful. Kentucky's not even comparable to that at all. Like, it's humid in Kentucky. I'll give it that. It's not the best weather in the world, but Texas heat is like I don't think you understand. Like I would literally almost faint if I was outside for too long. So yeah. Are you going to go to this year's Streamer Awards? I don't know. We'll have to see if I'm invited back, because last year I got in a fist fight with Asanabi and he whooped me decent, to say the least. So if I'm allowed back in, then I might go, but at this time I'm not currently having any plans on it. So yes. Will be happening with Jake. Jake is in prison. We'll talk about his investigation with selling narcotics in the future. But at this time, I have no further comments on that. He'll be in trial, I think around March. But we hope to get him free, and we hope to, we hope to set the record straight for him, because I think he's innocent, and I think he's been set up by somebody else. Possibly, I don't want to say any names, but maybe SFan TV might have to deal with the arrest of Jake Johnston. No further comments about Jake at this time. Any other questions? Any other questions? Will you continue streaming, or hold on. Will you continue streaming, or what do you want to do when you move? I will be going back to streaming, having a streaming schedule, okay? I'll be having a streaming schedule when I get back, because I won't have anything else to do. I won't have anything else to do. And I also want to go live on TikTok more. And let's just say I might have an idea for what I want to do on TikTok. But at this time, my plans are to live life to the fullest. And when I get back home, I'll start the Hoover Johnston. I don't know why I said Johnson. Me and Jake are getting married. The Hoover Sophia content again. Okay, so that's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a lot of fun. 2024 is gonna be a crazy year too. Are you thinking of doing any big projects this year? I am. I definitely am thinking about projects and what I want to be doing. It's one of those things where I'm gonna have a lot of free time on my hands. I want to actually work on some stuff. I want to fully apply myself to content again, because it's just one of those things where I have been having fun with my friends in Austin, Texas, and as much as I'm gonna miss hanging out with all these guys here and doing everything I can to fucking do whatever the fuck I want to do in Austin, I'm gonna be back home in my room. But I'm excited because I want to do more content, and I'm in a good headspace this time. If they announce we're all going to be moving in 6 months, would have been a stream of me crying, punching holes in the walls, me saying that my career is gone, saying things like this is the end, I don't know, I have nothing left. But now I'm actually a lot better. I'm medicated. And yeah, the future is looking good. It's looking bright. If all things are projecting as they are now, this might be one of the best years for Hoover Nation yet. So a lot of fun in store. Any other questions? Any other questions in the crowd? Any other? Are you going to give the streamer award back to the owner before you move? There is no owner of that award. The category was Minecraft. And I'm not going to give that shit to Marcus Persons. I'm not going to give that shit to Notch. Fuck that old man. I'm keeping it. So yeah. Are you planning on doing YouTube this year or just stream? I think in the future of this year, I don't have exactly a plan laid out for it, but I think some YouTube stuff could be in the works in the future. I think it could be one of those things where I don't know if the main channel is going to come back, but I think if anything, maybe a new channel will come back, and I definitely will upload TikTok lives, maybe. Fingers crossed. Did you already mention Cool Dog? Oxwally is kicking me off Cool Dog with 0 pay, all because I said that I don't think Joe Biden should be the president for a third term. So, that's why I'm not going to be in Cool Dog. And I mean, I did explain to him that Joe Biden can't have a third term. All presidents can only have 2 terms, but he still didn't care and he kicked me off. So, yeah. It's unfortunate. Will we be addressing what you did on New Year's to cause Weston to punch you in the face? No comment. No comment at this time. I'd like the record to show that I was just being a silly goose and it was taken the wrong way. I'll say that. But as you can see right now, I look perfectly fine. I look handsome, and I look nice. So, yes. Did you put makeup on? I put like 5 foundation layers on. Yes. Oh my God, are you moving closer to GF? That's a thing. I'm still waiting for that TikTok psychic to be right. They are predicting that I will have a girlfriend this year, or I will die, or something. I forget what they said. There's a part of me that, you know, I hope she's... I hope my next girlfriend is not in Kentucky. No shade to any Kentucky women out there. Just don't know if I need that right now. I don't think I actually need anything in my life. I think I just need to, you know, improve myself, and yeah. So yeah. Any other comments? Any other questions at this time? Ugh, it's hot in here. How are you celebrating the Mario Party W? By moving back home with my mom. That's the biggest celebration of my life. It's a dream that everyone wished they could live, you know? Everyone waits for the day to be like, I'm moving home back in with my mom. So yeah. Are you going to address the 200 subs you promised, Hoover? I have an actual comment about that. Okay? I know that I said I'm going to upload a video this year. And I did. Okay? I did. Because you know why? I edited the Doggy Craft video. And that was me. And that was on a channel that I'm a part of. So I did technically upload a video. So that counts. That is all I have to say about that at this time. And you put the wrong lesbian flag in it? Did I actually? Did I actually? Please tell me I didn't actually put a wrong one. You did? Is it offensive? Am I gonna get canceled? Oh no. At this time, I'm working on a twit longer. I'm sorry. I did not realize I did it. You've been canceled? I did not know. I did not know. I'm sorry. You sit on Hoover channel? My name is Hoover and I have a channel, so. Yeah. Whatever. I'm not clicking on that. I'm not clicking on that. Is this the white Zoil? Yes, I'm the white Zoil. You're trolling. It's a transphobic one. I love trans people. Shout out anyone at trans. Okay, that's an official press conference statement. I am an ally of the LGBTQIA plus community, and I am apologizing now. I'm sorry. Okay? You all know me. I'm rocking with you all. Okay? I did not mean to put that flag in. If I could, I would change it. And I'm sorry. Bro, don't even have enough money for 200 subs. And that's why I'm doing a birthday stream. That's why I'm doing a birthday stream. Please, January 8th. I'm going to say it again. It's my birthday. I'm turning 22. 22. That's like the Taylor Swift song. Give me money. How long is a birthday stream? Maybe I'll do a long birthday stream. I actually put the top back on. This is embarrassing. Make it 5 hours. Done. I shouldn't agree to that. I feel like 4 hours, you know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. I want to have a good dinner with all my friends in Austin. And then afterwards, I'm going to come back, and instead of celebrating and drinking with my friends, I'm going to be in this chair drinking and being like, oh, thank you so much for the money. No, you promised it'd be 12 hours because you missed Christmas. Next question. You make way too many promises to keep, Hoover. I'm sorry. I make bad promises. I don't know what to tell you. When is your Hot Ones coming out? There will be a Hot Ones coming out, I think, this month with another creator. Stay tuned to talk more about that. That is real. Can you stream your flight back home? I don't want to be swatted in the airport, and I don't want to be put on a no-fly list, actually. So I don't think I'm going to be doing that. I think I'm going to take that time to really soak in the moment, maybe shed a few tears on the plane, and yeah, I'm going to be flying back home. Can you tell us your flight code? Oh yeah, sure. Like, let me just pull that up. You never do anything cool? What do you mean I never do anything? I put on a suit. Put on a suit. That's cool, right? That's cool. There'll be a lot of cool stuff next year, though. Or this year. What am I talking about? We're in 2023. But yeah. Are you bringing you as a baby with you? I am. Well, of course I got to bring everything with me. What is happening? To reiterate, what is the actual announcement, real announcement? I will be moving back to Kentucky at the end of January. And yeah, it's the end of the Austin House era. It's sad. I am genuinely sad, obviously. I mean, I've had months to process it. But it is still very sad because I've had such a fun time living with everyone. And it's been such a fun time in Austin, but I just think it's one of those things, you know. It's like, it's time. So, yeah. But when you look on the bright side, I will be streaming tons more. Like, actually streaming. And, yeah. Why are you moving? I just think, you know, we kind of come to an agreement. Austin is not the place that we want to spend another year in. It's just brutal. It's like like in the summer, it's brutal. There's not much other than like the people, and if everyone is going to be, you know, moving, we're moving. So yeah, is Northernlion adopting you? Northernlion spelled my name wrong. I don't think he's going to be adopting me, because if he did, he would actually put the wrong name down. So yeah. Are you first or last to leave the Austin house? I don't even know. I'm not the first or last. We'll see. Move to Vegas or something? I'm going to be moving back home, and then after a year, I might move to like a random place just by myself. Who knows? You're fucking last, loser. Fuck you. Okay, Nick. And if anyone has questions for if I'm still friends with everyone in the house, I like to think so. Maybe 24 Frames of Nick is painting a different picture. But I love everyone in this house, genuinely, from the bottom of my heart. I've had some of the best years here, and I couldn't have lived a dream without anyone in this house. So without them, none of this would have been possible, and I love them all very much. I have to do it because, you know, it's like a... Hold on, you know, everyone likes to get the photo. This is like my press conference photo signature. I just do the heart. There we go. That's it. I'll even throw in that one. Me, Weston, and Kellen are literally downstairs talking about how much we hate you right now. Okay. Okay. That's really cool. But, yeah. Is it just my audio glitching? I'm getting paparazzi all around me right now. Is this what you're hearing? Is that what you thought I was like glitching out? Because of the photos in the background? Put back on Succession music. I'm going to be bringing down St. John Drowning from the inside in. I'll be releasing a 3-part documentary series on the evil horrors that I saw living in this house. I'm talking... Wasn't Corey saying that many M&Ms are too chocolatey? Kalen Corey listening to AJR. And what goes on with the editors that they have locked away in the laundry room. It's time that they be brought down. Okay. I'm sorry, but I can't sit by and let this all happen. Okay? No more Good Mythical Morning. Listen, I'm still here for another 30 days. Or 25, 23. And if you don't think I'm going to be in another video of theirs, you're dead wrong. Right, guys? You're dead wrong. The contract still... I still have a contract with St. John Drowning Enterprises, right? I think so. Is that Squidward behind you secretly a camera? No. Also, it literally took 2 years of living here for me to actually fix the light. Because earlier, it didn't look like this. Like, this isn't even that great of lighting, but, like, it looks way better than how it used to look and why I had to use, like, the background light. So now I can actually turn on the lights in my room to stream. And welcome to Hot Ones. For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans. We're conquering the wings of death. Today on the show, we have Hoover, who's moving back to Kentucky at the end of January. This is also Succession music, not even Hot Ones. But it sounds like at the beginning of a Hot Ones episode. But yeah. Are you planning to cut your hair? I don't know. I was thinking like I could do a haircut stream here, but then I was like, listen, I have to fucking clean everything out of this house before I'm gone. And I don't think one of my last streams, I want to have to clean up all my hair on the ground because, like, look, I have a ton of hair right now. I have tons of hair. It's so long. I look like I look like the Joe Biden, what's his name? Or the Bill Clinton kid. This hair. Bill Clinton. But I need to cut my hair. And I'll do so, you know, when I get back home. But yeah. You look like Matty Healy with your hair out. Yeah, I look like Matty Healy if he ate an entire Chick-fil-A. I don't know if exactly you look like Matty Healy at all other than the hair. And the suit. Yeah, I was going to say, I'm like, yeah, I guess I have the suit now. But I think I like ate a Matty Healy. A Matty Healy if he ate himself, you know. Are you going to go bald? No. I'm not going to go bald. But yeah. Any other, I'm trying to think of like actually any other genuine questions to be answered that I couldn't think of. Because this is going to be like a quick stream. Any other questions? Will you cry when your hair is cut? No. I'll cry probably when I leave. But not like even, I don't even know. I'm not planning on crying on stream again. Because you all, like I said last time, I literally, when I cried before I left for Austin last time, I said, hey guys, don't clip this and like put this in an edit. And then when I was in Austin, 2 of the first TikToks I saw were me crying in an edit. So that's never happening again. So yeah. As for like when the last stream is gonna be, I don't even know that. I don't even know when the last stream is gonna be, just because like I have to get everything. I'm about to pack up my PC, probably right after my last stream. And I mean, let me look at like a date maybe. Let me look at my calendar. Maybe like Because I also do want to have, like, fun while I'm still here. Like, maybe like that Saturday, like 21st maybe? I don't know. Well, I'll talk about it more as I, like, get more plans situated and stuff. But, again, I will announce probably when that's going to be happening. Are you not streaming after you move home? First time chatter, I'm sorry. First time chatter asking me if I'm not going to move when I move homes. This is the first and last stream. No, I'm going to be streaming tons more when I get back home. This is not the end. I'm telling you right now, it's a good and a bad thing. It's sad that I'm going to be moving out of Austin and I'm not going to be living with all my friends. But it's good that I'm going to be back home and I'm going to be back in my grind mode. So, like, cut me some slack. This is only beginning. Are you living with family when you move home? Yeah, I'm living with my mom. This is my Zane living 1D. Listen, Zane leaving 1D was because that guy had issues. We don't have issues here, okay? We don't. We have issues with Austin, Texas. Like, that heat is too much. But, yeah. It was fun. Look at the positives of it all. We had such a fun time. I'm sure I'm going to do, like, a... like, Austin House era, like, recap stream of, like, all the best moments. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Doesn't Corey just slapped Hoover Brown? Yeah, that's exactly what happened. That is exactly what happened. Oh, are you running away from the Corys? They're running away from me. No, I'm gonna be running away from them. I'm going to Kentucky. But I don't expect this to be the last time of me, like, ever talking to any of these people ever. Like, that's the thing I don't think, like, that's why I, like, talk about it so much. I'm like, people are just going to assume, like, I'm, like, cutting everyone out and I'm, like, gone. And, like, that's it. No mention of everybody ever again. Like, yeah. I'm just not going to be living in the same house with everyone. I'm going into witness protection program. I am. Yeah. That is exactly what's happening. But do we have any other last questions before I wrap things up? Because this is going to be a short stream. Made a lot of subs out of all this. Of me leaving. Can we actually just get a hype train real quick? Can we get a hype train? Maybe? Before we go? Can I come over? No, Chiblee. You wanted Monopoly. That's such an evil thing to do. Anybody got a Prime sub, maybe? Or actually save that for my birthday stream, January 8th. Rectangle! Thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. Actually, I'll read out subs. Gobi, thanks so much for the sub. Cameron Tootie, thank you for the sub. It's Max, thank you for the sub. Sophia Olivia, where are Olivia and Sophia? Lyra Roar, thank you so much for the sub. Ladybug Mill, thank you so much for the sub. Canadian CR, thank you for the sub. Evan M with a gifted sub. Jackson's 2020 with the Prime. Olive Epic with the sub. Reenie Weenie with the sub. Julia Egan with the sub. Fuck you, damn. That was the message. JHP team, Sag, I love you. Sydney, thank you so much for the sub. Avery the pianist, thank you so much for Prime. Cutie Emily, thank you so much for 16 months. Sophie Swanson, 11 months. Weston Corey, 32 months. Munu, 15 months. Rowie, 6 months. Wes was 3 months. Oh my lord. Ratet, thank you so much for tier 1. Zobeans, 10 months. Grace Young, 6 months. JBC, 26 months. Best TV, 11 months. Natty, thank you so much for the sub. That's a lame name, 6 months. Jenna, 11 months. Elliot Dr. There's just too many. Lily Dr. Pepper Lover, thank you so much for the sub. Mar, thank you so much for the sub. Olive Epic, Kendraxi, Katie MK, thank you. How are you going to survive your B-Day stream? You're struggling. I'm struggling because I haven't read any of the subs. That's why. And Can't Be Censored, thanks so much for the sub. But yeah. That is all that I have to say for today. One last question. Did you like the Hoover merch my sister made for you? I love the necklace. I wore it to Christmas dinner. I love the Hoover necklace. And I'm going to get everyone in this house a Hoover necklace before I leave. So then I'm always with them. Yeah. But yeah. Guys, thank you so much. Actually, where's the dramatic music? Guys, thank you so much for the Hoover Nation press conference. I'm gonna be back soon. I don't know when, but expect to see me around maybe today, tomorrow on TikTok on something. And yeah, I'm gonna raid my good friend Stone PA. And yeah. Again, to reiterate the news, by the end of January, I will be moving out of Texas, and I'll be moving back in Kentucky. Come to my birthday stream January 8th. Maybe it'll be 12 hours. Maybe I won't be. Maybe it won't be. But yeah. I'm gonna raid Stonepa. And yeah. Follow me if you're new, by the way. 'Cause, let me tell you right now, everyone that's here was not here earlier in majority of my streams, but there's gonna be a lot more streaming in 2023 when I'm back in Kentucky. So stay tuned for that. And Hoover Nation, we're growing every day. We're getting stronger every minute. Thank you for such a good 2022, and let's have a good 2023 despite me moving back in with my mom. I love you all. Thank you so much. No further comments. Good night. Thank you. Good night.